Mobile Link is another optional feature that allows the use of PDAs, such as iPhone, iPod, or iPad, to perform certain user functions within the Allworks system. Currently, this option is only available as an Apple application, but stay tuned, additional applications are being added every month. Download the application onto your phone, and you can change your presence settings, listen to your voicemails, leave messages, and see a directory of all users on your system or across multiple systems. Here's how you set it up. You must log into the Apple Store and then search on Allworks to find the iAllworks application. The application is free. Download this application like any other application and note that there is a new Allworks icon on your phone. Launch the application and then click the I in the lower right corner. Enter your Allworks username and voicemail password. Then, enter the IP address of the Allworks server that is provided by your administrator. Every address is different, so do not enter the address on this screen. The default Mobile Link port is 8081. The IMAP port is 142, and the SMTP port is 26. When complete, select the icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Apply My Changes. If this is set up correctly, when you launch your iAllworks application, all your information will be presented. To start the application, simply click the Allworks icon. Once the application is open, you will see all the options available to you. Changing your presence. Select Presence, then select the desired presence you wish to change, and then select Set. Listening to messages. Select Inbound Messages and you will see all your messages on the screen. Choose the message you wish to listen to. After listening, you have the option to forward or delete the message. Leaving a message. To leave a message, select Outbound Messages. Then select the recipient and then Record. When you are finished recording a message, select Send, and away it goes. The iAllworks app also contains a complete directory of users from the Allworks system. This shows every other user within the Allworks server. To download these contacts, select the lower left green checkbox, then select Import Contacts. You will see the Import in Progress screen. Once complete, you can see all the contacts from your Contacts view within the phone application. This concludes the iAllworks portion of our training. Be sure to check out the other Allworks videos for more information on your new phone.